Got tech fleece right here. Look at this. Got some dunks going for hella cheap right here. That's a men's size too. This is definitely the cheapest we've ever seen these. Was that like 70% off? Yo, this is what the outlet's about. Holy cow, are these 80% off? Oh, look at this. Jordan 1 high. Golf right here. Yo, Palominos right here, size 13. It's been a couple weeks since we've been here. They got the cart back. That's the first time I've seen a cart in a long time. We'll take a look at the cart in a minute, but a few things here I do want to check out. All the usual campers just chilling in the back. I'm coming out to the women's section to see if they have any extended size steals. Looking for some size 12 Metcons in women's. Love that price, but yeah, they don't got my size. It's even cheaper right here, $35. Jordan 2s right here down to 100. These are size 12 and a half women's. The Pegasus, is this the new Pegasus right here? Yeah, Pegasus 41 Nike by you. $60 for those. In the size 12, no Metcons. No Metcons. Do got these hideous things right here. That's like a 3-inch platform. Sandals right here go for $20. $100 for the Air Max 97s. Pretty dope dunks right here with the gum bottom, $100. More of the dunks right here. This is one with some of the nice leather on it, $110. And Jordan 2s, these are size 11, $50. $50 for Jordan 2s. These are a size 11, so at 9.5 men's, $50. Yeah, but no Metcons, no Infinity Run. Flying at 3s right here. Do you got Blazer lows? Go for $25. These are 11.5, so size 10 men's. Got some mids right here. Go for $60. Forces go for $60 right here. These are some mids. Air Max Flyknit Ventures. Never even seen these before. Size 11 women's. Are these some hiking shoes or something? I don't know what the hell these are. But yeah, $80 for these. They look alright. They look alright. The midsole kind of reminds me of like one of the Nike boots, the Air Max boots. They got some interesting stuff. They got some decent prices too, but not what I'm looking for. God dang it. They do remind you throughout the entire store, all sales are final. There's an asterisk though. Take a look at that asterisk right there, kind of important. And they also let you do size exchanges, so if you get something and it doesn't fit or whatever, you can do a size exchange, but it has to be for the same product. It has to be for the same product, usually the same colorway as well. And that's what makes it tough, because they don't always have the same colorways or everything. What is this? What is this? Oversized t-shirt? That's like hella thick. A $125 t-shirt? What's going on here? What's going on here? That looks awful as well. Yeah, oversized like hell. This is a small right here. That looks so ridiculous. Down to $50. You can get those shirts just to say you wear a small. So that small fits like a double XL. Got practice jersey right here, $25. They've been having some tech fleece on sale. Oh yeah, $40. $40 for tech fleece. It is for these kind of like off colorways, kind of random colorway, but over $100 off. What's up with these more mundane, typical colors? $80 for most of these. This tan one here, this one ain't bad. What they go for? All right, that one didn't have a tag. Are all these going for $80? That one's $80. Army green two-tone right here, go for $80. Got some pretty random colors down here. Got orange, go for $80. Got like 18 shades of green. This one right here, this one's down to $40. It's an extra small. Blue ones right here go for $80. Purple ones go for $50. But this is slightly different though. And okay. All right, these are slightly different. No hoodie on these, but it is tech fleece. It is tech fleece. Jacket, these are down to $60. Normally $155, so not too bad. Not too bad. Almost $100 off. Got regular tech fleece sweatshirts right here. $40 for these, normally $115. And then Yeah, more of these, more of these. These are still 60. I got like a loose turtleneck version right here. This is kind of interesting. Haven't seen this too much. $50 for this one. $50 for the tech fleece pullovers right here. $50 no hoodie. But these are normally $150, so not bad. And they got like the cheaper ones right here. This is $40, as well as these right here. These are sweatshirt tech fleece no hoodie on these. Okay. All right, let's move on to the men's sneakers, starting at size 10. So they still do have some Jordans right here. Not all the Jordans made the cart behind the cashier over there. $100 for these. Air Max 186 OGs going for $130. Twos, have they lowered the price on these? Tell me they lowered them. $120 still? Oh my God. Yeah, sometimes some of the pricing stuff just doesn't make any sense. Look at this. These have been here for what? Almost 4 months. These have been here for over 3 months and still $140. They did lower the price on stuff like this, though. $40 for Zoom Freaks. LeBrons, they have a ton of colorway. The LeBron 21s are all $100. GT Jump 2s go for $80. Got some football cleats right here. This place is always really good stuff for. This place is always a great spot for performance gear. $100 though for these, dang good. $100. I'd hit up some Ross for some cleats, cause yeah, $100 for all these. I know MSRP is way higher, but if you can find them at Ross, why not? You know, $100 for the Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, which is a very, very solid price. I just want it for cheaper. Penny 2s right here in the colorway. I don't think I've seen these. $100. Noctas, I've been seeing those forever here. 100. Center courts 60. I guess they just got these. And I do need some of these. These are the Metcons because I've been lifting a ton of weights. Well, not really a lot of weights, but I've been lifting weights on a frequent basis. $50 for these. Dang, I'm looking for them. We've seen them for like $40, $35. I think most of it's been in the extended size women's section though. Metcon Turbo 2s going for $60. Back in the apparel t-shirt central here. They've had tons and tons of t-shirts, racks and racks. Full of t-shirts at different price points. $20, $13. How many racks do they have for $13? Holy cow. Thought that was Mamba merch. I was like, what? ACG though, $50, normally $120. They just got regular Nike hoodies, $50 a piece for those. Got tech fleece right here. Look at this. Look at this, $30 for tech fleece. $30 this color, man. I'll get this for my kid. He's gonna get it dirty in like 4 minutes. $30 though for tech fleece. Holy cow. I think this is mismarked. Never seen tech fleece that cheap. I'm in the small section. I was like, oh, my kid would love this, but it's a 4XL. Never mind. $30 for sweats. All kinds of sweats going for $30. This one's $25. I want to get stuff for my kid, but I'm gonna have to bring him here because his waist is so thin. He can't even wear small sometimes. For Nike, $25 for these. These are large right here. This is nice. This one is hella soft right here. Of course, $30. That's not bad. Some slacks right here. What these slacks go for? $30 for golf slacks, which ain't bad. See what's up with this tech fleece right here. Did they mark this one? Nah, $60. That's a good one right though. Do you guys match your tech fleece top and bottoms? Do they match? I know some of you old school fools do that. I don't really match the top and bottom. Like I can't wear the same ones. Slacks right here, pretty big slacks, but $20 though. I was just talking about what sizes fit what. Damn, my waist is a 30 now, so I should be getting a small in sweats as well. What the hell? That's crazy. And yeah, even with the medium, look, my inseam's only at 30, so damn, crazy. But look, they do have different colorways right here. What color is that? Can't even tell what color that is, but look at this. $30 for tech fleece. Are you serious? Got older tech fleece right here. $30. What? This one is like hella thick. Also got the huge Nike symbol on the bottom, 50 bucks. A small tech fleece right here. No price tag on this one though. Dang it. Like this one's not the same one. This one's going for 50 though. Oh, this is the thick one. That's why I have the hoodie that matches that. No small tech fleece though. God dang it. Oh, is this the MMW? Holy cow. Okay. Have we seen that on slides? What have we seen that on? Some sandals or something? But yeah, oh my goodness. 155 down to $60. Holy cow. So it definitely seems like they got some tech fleece deals. Just sizing's gonna be an issue, but the one that we found for hella cheap, this is a large, so that's not bad. Where is that one? Back to the sneaker, size 9. Got some Air Max 1s that I've never seen here before. $80 for the Volt colorway. Kukinis, they've been being given away lately for $40. Got some Forces, some mids right here in a insane huge box, go for 70. One high OGs right here, go for 150. 100 for these bad boys right here, as well as the purple ones. 110 for the University Blue Air Max 1s right here, 110. Oh, I'm so curious to see the price of these. No price tag though. Dang it. Moving down to the size 8 penny 2s, going for 60. These have been here forever, I feel like. You know, even in May and even before that. Laser low. These are the Grant Taylors right here. SB going for $40. These are the golf ones right here. I believe the Gore-Tex going for 80 bucks. Classic Air Max 90 colorway. Air Max 90 or Air Max 3s. But yeah, going for $80. Pretty dope colorway of the Dunk Highs right here, going for 60. Solid price. Got some trainers right here going for 60. I saw a YouTube video, someone was like, these aren't the Bo Jacksons. I was like, dog, everybody knew these as the Bo Jacksons, man. Come on now, man. Field Generals right here. Kind of look like Dunks, going for 50 bucks. Maybe this will actually have a price tag. 150. More than the retail shops for those, man. We're gonna check out some of the kids' shoes real quick, and then we'll move to Big Feet Gang shoes in a bit. 120 for these. 97s right here. We're in the size 6, going for 70. Jordan 1 High OGs right here with the sticker that's being smushed. It really looks like Jordan's trying to escape or something. Like, what the hell? 110 for these. Comforts down to 50 bucks. 2s down to $40. Air Max 97s right here, going for 80 bucks. And these look hella dope with the 3M right there. $80 for those. And more up tempos in a color I've never seen, 60 bucks. Tatum's going for 50. Alley-oops, if your kids are into skating, go for 30. Pennies go for 40. All black Air Max 97s go for 70. 2s go for 50. 6.5, got these 38s. Go for 70, that's a solid price. Another 6.5 right here. Jordan 36s, have not seen these in a while. 70 bucks for those. 37s go for 70 as well. More 38s go for 70. Alright, size men's 11 and above. And for the Metcons, I might even be able to do a size 11, but $70 for the turbos right there. Metcon free 4s right here go for 50, but I'm not interested in those. The regular Metcon 9s right here, way bright, go for $70 a. So that's not gonna work. Y'all who love ACGs, got Mountain Fly 2 lows, go for $70. None of these Noctas, still 100. The Penny 2s right here, social status, collab, $60. I cannot believe these are down to 60 bucks. Holy cow. Holy cow, they just dropped the price. Okay, that's what happened. They literally just dropped the price past couple days. Okay. Got the Quick Strike Blazers that just came out. This just came out just, what, like a few months ago. $90. More ACGs right here. The Explorades go for 70. Moving on to the 12s. $70 for the 312s right here. All kinds of ones. going for $100. These are the one high OGs right here. Wait, I see some boots. Some boots with that extra soft suede. That color's just awful. Some of y'all like it, but I'm not a fan of that color. But look at this. Look at the price. $40. Are you serious? Wow. Just marked these they just marked these down last week. Look at this. 37s. Jordan 37 lows go for $40. $40 for Jordan 37 lows. Cosmic Unities down to $40. Pegasus 40s. These are 12.5. Down to $35. Yeah, see, I would definitely grab it for this price, but not my size. Dang it. Cosmic Unity 3s down to $40. Look at these. Look at these. These look like the upcoming Kyries. These look like they should have been the upcoming Kyries. They look almost exactly like the Kyries. Precision Force, $20. $20 for outdoor hoops. Looks like they really extended sized a lot of things. Size 12 and up. That's pretty freaking crazy. Roshi's going for $30 right here. Holy cow. Holy cow. Then the selection and the prices for the size 13, very similar to the 12s. Why am I stumbling my words? Stumbling with my words. Metcon 9s, like I said, $39. Cosmic Unities come for hella cheap at $35. Jordans down there, those are still going for $100. This does not get the extended size treatment. These are freaking dope, dude. GT Jump 2s, $160 for those. Oh, look at this. Jordan 1 high. Golf right here, $150 for these. These are size 13, but University Blue? University Blue size 13s? And they're chilling right here. Holy cow. That's insane. $150 for those. Yo. Palominos right here, size 13, $150 for the Palominos. Things definitely different. Palominos and Jordan 1 high. University Blue right there. That is a golf though. Maybe that's why? That's crazy. Before we wrap things up, look at what I am wearing. Do got Pegasus 35 turbos. And these are hella comfortable. ZoomX React. Pretty nice, especially for what I pay, $35, $40? Because I did get the women's and they did extend the size price. That's why I keep checking. And then shorts and a t-shirt. And this is a small t-shirt. Gap small t-shirt fits me perfectly now. Holy cow. Holy cow. Everybody's been asking, or a ton of people have been asking, you know, what's the secret? Just work out, eat a lot less, be hungry all the time, and you can lose 20 pounds. I think that's what I've lost as of today, 20 pounds. Weight does fluctuate a little bit, but as of this morning, it was 20 pounds in 3 months. And I know it is hard to get motivated, but you just gotta want it. Gotta want it. I'm hungry right now. Hungry all the time, actually, but you just have to stop eating so much and, you know, you just work out. That's it. Really no secret. Yeah, that's pretty much about it, though. Pretty much about it. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. And we're done, dude. We're done. I'm gonna have to come back here because place is pretty freaking dope. Selection's crazy. And we out, man. We out. Got here 15 minutes late. Do got 30%. East LA had 40. What the hell, really? All right, I did talk to them. Yep, 30% off. So, yeah, man, I gotta grab these, dude. $28. Here's the receipt. I always get a couple schmucks thinking I'm lying about stuff.